Hey guys, Matthias here from Molnify. So Molnify recently did an update which enables you to have dynamic input labels in your application. Let me show you what I mean. Here I have an app where you can pick a product and you can then let the app know how many you want. So right now it says pick something here. If I click steel, it's going to say how many steel bars? Well, 10. If I pick fabric, it's going to say how many fabric rolls. If I pick plastic, how many plastic containers, and so on. Let's get into how you can do this in Google Sheets and then turn it into a Molnify application. In Google Sheets, where I built the app, you have first the first input, which is pick product. Here I can pick one of these products and let's say I pick wood. Like that, it will say 0 wood planks. If I write 10 here, well, of course it will say 10 wood planks. Down here then, where it says how many, this is usually a static label in Molnify, but our new functionality which lets you have a dynamic label here. So for instance, if I wanted to make this dynamic, I could type how many, and then I would do this wood, and I'll get my answer from down here and from the second column. So right now you can see it says how many wood planks, and if I don't have anything here, it will say NA. Then I can just add another formula, which is an if error formula. If error, in that case, spell out pick something. Okay, so let's see how this looks now in the Molnify app. So I'll go back to the Molnify app, and since I'm the owner, I get the cloud here and the sidebar. Here I can just hit update and Molnify will update the app from the Google Sheet document. So now it says pick product and then pick something. If I pick stone, it says how many stone blocks, and I can type in 10. So that's dynamic labels and how that work. I'm sure that you can get super creative with this. I can think of a bunch of different use cases where you would like to have dynamic input labels. So get creative. Go to app.molnify.com if you haven't done so and start your 14-day free trial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a really nice day, and bye-bye.